Alright, let's enter Vault 22. So it looks like there has been some experiments in this vault, and what they were experimenting on is, I guess, it has something to do with enhanced growth. Oh yeah. So, warning, system integrity compromised. Vault 22 Expedition Entry 1. I've established a temporary camp inside the entrance of the vault. Power inside is minimal, but still running, and I've managed to hack into one of their security terminals. The logs show that several people have entered the vault over the past few months, but none have left. It's getting late, so I will resume the expedition in the morning. Keely out. Entry 2. Exterior growth in the interior matches the exterior to a T. It is a little surprising given the scarcity of sunlight in the entrance room, but even more surprising is that they seem to originate from further below. Maybe that fool Hildren was onto something after all. Since my Pip-Boy is on the fritz, I will try to keep a running log of my discoveries in whatever computers I can find and collate the data before leaving. Ah. Oh nice, and so we can read it. Will I get here like some giant monster repair 50? Some monster plants or so? Who knows? Let's see, elevator, stairs, the lab. Okay, so let's go here, do it systematically because it's really a lot. I see enemies, so they are here somewhere. What's this? Noise complaint. Could maintenance look into the duct work here on level 2 again? I know you guys took a look at this last week, but I swear the noise is back. I even have other people that can back me up on this time too. That looks like a nice plant. Really looks like a nice plant. Okay, that's the lab. I just checked the whole lab, and there's an elevator, here are stairs, and here are stairs. Ah no, I came from here. Right, there's the elevator. Here it goes deeper, and the same thing over here. Level back, frag grenade. Huh. Vault 22 Expedition Entry 3. This level seems to have been devoted to the study of atmospheric effects on plants with a concentration on producing plants with a high oxygen yield. Given the problems these vaults were known to have, it sounds like a reasonable avenue of research. Problems? You mean like not enough oxygen or so? It's strange, but some sections have The machinery down here appear to have been modified for some unknown purpose. The restraints regarding oxygen content and systematic pressure have been bypassed. I've been hearing a strange chittering sound for some time now and finally discovered its source. There's some kind of giant mantises that I've taken up residence in the vault. I almost ran smack into one of the other day, but the creatures don't appear to react to my presence at all. Perhaps the others sent here run afoul of the creatures, but I can't see how a few scattered insects could pose much of a problem to experienced mercs. Ah, look at that. Check inventory. Well, I can't go through there. We'll have to find another way in. Aha, okay. So then I would say let's go deeper. Stairs. Well, spore carrier. That's some mean stuff there coming out rather. 6 and 7. I finally found some of the bodies of the scientists that lived here. They appear to be overgrown with some form of lichen. They blend in so well with the other growth that I walked right by several of them without even noticing them. I've taken the proper precautions, but the lichen doesn't seem to be contagious, at least to ghouls. This level appears to be where they perform most of the research and CR is interested in. I've been able to collect a little, but the vast majority of the data from the research done here is inaccessible. I will have to find the main backup and download from there. Oh, okay, I guess that is also my objective. Get to the main area.
Just in time for your ass whipping.
I wonder if maybe they're not hostile. I'll try that out later on, or yeah, next time. Food addictive. Status report. Yields continue to improve. Splicing together cultivar GN198 with the existing corn samples has produced a hybrid that responds better to the artificial lights we have. On a side note, Dr. Peters has missed his third straight day due to illness. His work ethic hasn't exactly been stellar to this point, so I'm requesting confirmation from the clinic that he is in fact sick. On a lark, the guys down in pest control sent up a sample of a substance one of their specimens secretus to attract insects. Tests show that the substance has a mood-altering effect on smaller mammals. If Anoi volunteers, we can begin human testing soon. Of Quite a number of the staff have begun to show symptoms of some sort of viral infection. I've begun to order them to stay in bed and recover, but at this rate, they won't be anyone left to do research. Not much to report today. The mood is unusually somber in the wake of Dr. Peters' passing. There's a strange rumor going around that the common commotion downstairs was caused by, of all things, Dr. Peters' corpse suddenly animating and attacking people. Don't know who would start such a vicious rumor, but it's in exceptionally bad taste. I came from here. I would like to kill them. I really would. Well, I get soon the chance, I guess. Let's hear. Security request. Assistant Mathers went into the caves at today and still hasn't returned. Requesting security escort. We need a medical team up here now. Dr. Peters just returned with one of the security escorts who is horribly wounded. When I asked them where the other security officer was, he just paled and shook his head. In the meantime, Dr. Bailey has ordered that the door to the caves be sealed until a further investigation can take place. Help. If anyone down here security is trying to hold off, well, I don't know what they're trying to hold off. Please send security up at once. With Dr. Bailey watching over his sick wife and daughter in their quarters down in the common area, I'm officially in charge of the level and I'm requesting security at once. Until further notice, the door to the caves is to be sealed. I'm gonna take a look at this one soon. I just want to check the whole level.
Wish they'd show themselves.
And then I can continue. Like these other stairs. Okay, this goes even further down. Okay. After all, they did a great job, you know? Vaults, they built so many. Okay, I have to find the admin, which I guess is further down.
Wish they'd show themselves.
So he is, so I have to kill them. I thought maybe I don't need to, but I do. No plants anymore. Okay, no, they are. Cafeteria, overseas office, I will have to go there. So many ghouls around here. That's incredible.
Serving up some hurt.
I see you. Too much rats for me. Way too much. Same in here, I guess. Oh no. Okay. So let's continue. Some presentation. H2O. H2O minus. H2O minus. Yeah, right, remember. There you go. That's the overseas office. And no one in here. Okay, also this one doesn't work. This does. Unlock crew quarters. Unlock data backup. Unlock Karen access. Override engage at door side. Interesting. But it's nicely done, this vault. I love to like find out all these mysteries. It's so cool.
Let's paint this place red.
Just doesn't want to die. Nuka-Cola, why not? Some vodka, some wine. Beer. At least that gives me here some, you know, some energy. Some water. Coca-Cola fridge. Wow. Gorilla. What's this? Entry 8 and 9. I guess no one will miss the ridiculous trivia game. The questions weren't even that hard. It looks like this is where most of the people were when they died. The medical reports I found suggest that most of them succumbed to some kind of airborne infection. I'm going to see if I can convert some of the grow lamps into UV spectrometers to test the air for contaminants. After numerous attempts, I found a range that highlights the particles in the air that I believe killed everyone in this vault. Preliminary tests showed them to be spores of some kind. I've set up some spectrometers on several of the levels now, and the concentration appears to increase in the lower levels. At this point, I'm concerned that the plants here may constitute a danger to the people of the NCR. Interesting indeed. Ah, yeah, fresh carrot. What else? I've killed almost everyone. Oh no, there is still one.
Let's paint this place red.
Spore carrier, spore carrier. I've killed each one. Very well. So let's continue in utility. Here's the energy, huh? Running low, but... Ooh. Microfusion cell. Turbo, vodka, whiskey, wine. Misk. Wow, they're really heavy, huh? Not bad. Flamer. Wow. Even more flamer. Well, take that. Items, weapons, flamer. Maybe I will need this one, but Beacon 1, strange noises. Problem, noises, actions and the team. Source of a problem not detected. Gas leak. Reports of possible gas leak. Several people have complained of coughing fits and other respiratory symptoms. Complete diagnostic of air circulation system. Discovered minor discrepancies in the mass of the air being pumped through the vault, but no harmful gases were detected. Also, a strange residue was detected on the air filters, which has been forwarded for identification and swept out the filters just in case. Medical bay. Okay, that's what I'm interested in. Case, wow. Dr. Peters is suffering from a severe case of pneumonia, the result of the spread of some sort of microorganism in his lungs. I've applied the usual treatment and requested that he refrain from work and stop twice a day for observation. Group. This entire group showed up throughout the course of the day, displaying the same symptoms. They're remarkably similar to Dr. Peters' condition when he first came in a week ago. I hope we don't have a contagious. On hand, Dr. Peters isn't responding to the treatment, or more accurately, his body is actively rejecting the treatment. His condition has worsened, and I'm on the cusp of ordering exploratory surgery. Wow. Another grew up with chills, a fever, and a terrible racking cough. I'm recommending that they be separated from the general populace. Dr. Peters is dead. His vitals flatlined 10 minutes before he entered surgery. I decided to perform an autopsy immediately and discovered his lungs were filled with some sort of fungal infection. Strangely, the fungus still shows evidence of growth despite the death of its host. I will consult with one of the microbiologists on the 5th level and see if they can identify it. I don't really know how to describe what just happened. 1 minute I was closing up for the day, and the next Dr. Peters' corpse sat up and attacked me. I was able to flee the office and seal inside until security arrived, but what the hell is going on? If all the recent illnesses are the same thing? Zombies? Nope, not this time. They're land monsters. What do we have here? Take Vault 2, 22. Ah, okay. Purified water. Some lamps. Ruby metal. Oh, Vault 22 jumpsuit. Well, I'm gonna take this one. Why? Search spore plant. Oh, that doesn't look so good. Luckily, it just killed itself. Luckily, a lot of things do in leaf blower. Huh. Luckily, a lot of things do that in Vault. Boom. Alright, then I would say that's it for this episode. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. Bye.